Dr. Julie, and we are going over some very beginner rotator cuff injury exercises. So there's two in this video. The first one is really great for frozen shoulder, okay, or if you have a tear in a muscle, specifically this supraspinatus muscle right here that's underneath your trapezius muscle, okay. So we're just going to take a lunge. I'm going to keep this hand here. This arm is going to go dead and it's going to do circle hangs, okay. You can let your body, okay. You might not go as fast as I'm going right here, okay, just fine. You can go a little lower, just let it hang. Circles. These are called pendulum arm swings. The second one is you're going to do an assisted wall climb with your fingers, okay? So I'm going to just have my fingers, elbow can be nice and rested, easy, okay, nice and bent. I'm just going to put a slight lean towards the wall, okay, and I'm just going to crawl those fingers up the wall, okay? Crawl them up the wall, relax that shoulder. It's going to get more difficult if you have an injury to these muscles or frozen shoulder. Don't let your body lean away to go higher. Keep your shoulders down. If you start to lean away, you can't go that high. Just let it go back down and reset, okay? So it might be a little frustrating, but you can do it. Just start with little by little, okay? Go up as high as you can without compromising your form, okay? Keep that body upright. Keep the shoulder down, okay? Don't raise the shoulder like that either. Nice and easy until you can eventually reach all the way to the top. When you can, you no longer need to do this exercise, okay? And that's the finger crawls for the rotator cuff muscle strengthening.